Yeah. Hey guys, how's it going? We're gonna see what Mika got in the mail today. You wanna see? You wanna open it? Is it toys? Toy. Is it a toy? Let's see. Oh, oh man. What'd she get? She got a puppy bed for the outdoors. Oof. Now, you might be wondering, what is so special about this puppy bed? Well, what it does is it stands up a little bit, so that way the dog isn't lying on the ground. It helps against ticks. It also helps against keeping your dog. If you have a long-haired dog, then you know that their bellies being on the ground is a bad idea, because then they get dirty, they might get a rash, and then you get to pay vet bills to get creams. Isn't that right? Aw. She's like, I'm done. She's like, set it up for me, Dad. So, let's see what we got here. I don't know if I'm gonna use a screwdriver. So you get this net. I don't suggest leaving your dog just on the net. You get these holes. This is just ordered off of Amazon. It was under $100. It was like 75 all in. You can get cheaper options, but we were just looking for a good one that was price effective. All right, another box empty. So we can see lots of B's and some A's. So this, like this, I'm guessing. We'll see. And this, like this. Maybe not. Let's see. I know we're winging it. There's no instructions. So this one. So B. And this one is B as well. Okay, that's in. I bet you I have to thread these through this first. So now we know that they're just clicking. See how far. It's pretty. I love the fact that it makes Dad do it wrong already. Look, this is a big one. Holy, you're a big pup, aren't you? So these legs are gonna go like this. If I had to guess. And then I guess we have some ends. Yes, see these? So these are gonna get screwed in through like this. And that's what these screws are for. Aha. See? Dad knows a thing or two. So we have these slide-in ones, which go like this. And then, let's see here. And then D. So C and D. Geez, those are tight together, eh? So this, which is C and D, you can see screw there, screw there. These are gonna slip in this way. That goes like that. And then we have D here. This one's E. That's a big center connecting rod. This one is C and D. Perfect. So this one, again, goes like this. Aha, now we're cooking with fire, Mika. So that will go through here. All right. Oof. And then now Dad's gonna disconnect his wannabe piece right here. Is Dad missing one piece? I think he might be. Because there's a double-ended connector right here. Maybe there's just one extension. Let's see. If I put this in here, and I put this one in here. Yeah, that's right. So you have a B, E, and another B. Are these all B's? Just double checking. Yes, they are. Okay, so you take this piece next, the B and E, once it's already connected, slip it through without bonking the dog in the face. I don't need Mika looking at me like I'm mean forever, right? Oh, hey, how's it going? You already know what's going on. You're like, nope, sorry Dad, no trust. Okay, the other thing is to pay attention to where the holes are. Let's see here. I can see this one, if you look, there's a screw side. I'd rather you not eat my scissors, thank you. Let's see here. So this is connected like so. I bet you there is one more. Okay. This is technically the one here. Let's double check this one. Aha! This is why. So, as I was telling you, see, I had this on the wrong side. The indent should be away, so that way the screw sinks into the indent that goes into here. So, the actual one that I need for that side, this is going to be for this side, is going to be this one. Because when I flip it, now the indent is towards, away from the dog bed. There we go. And then this will slide in. Then, this one, which has the indent this way, so indent again facing away from the dog bed, slides through, and we sink it into this pipe. Okay, where is, there it is. Gonna squish it. Okay. Oh, apparently I didn't squish it long enough. There we go. There. So now that's in place. Do the same to the other side, and then we'll put the screws in. So again, making sure the indent is facing away like this, so that way when you put your screw in, it's like that. You put the first hole in. Okay, that just locks in. Alright, that'll just go like that when it's done. Now it's this side. Smacking the pole around everywhere. Mika. Dad, why are you taking so long? There we go. So, not so bad. Now that it's like this, you have these screws. When assembling the screws and you've laid out all your stuff, you're gonna see there's a beveled piece and a flat. So the flat goes like this is your beveled, which goes into the pole. And then you'll notice that now we're gonna line up this with this, but you also have to get this in there. So what I suggest is the rolling technique. Roll it, get this through that washer, and then hand thread it like this. You're gonna notice that the pole starts moving, but make sure that you thread it in by hand first and then lightly turn it. If you have to put any tension on it, then it's cross threading and you don't want that. Go ahead and do that with all four corners. Take a look at this. So you can see lots of space, and that's even with her all the way on there. Lots of room for her to grow into it because she's gonna be big. If you look at her ears and her paws, she's only 17 weeks old as of now, and oh, she's loving it already. But that's the idea for camping. Keeping your dog off the ground. You can either use this bed or you can even get a memory foam pad or something for your dog if you want. You might not want to leave her just on this just because it's, you know, it's got air holes. So I mean, if it's a bigger dog and you want the dog to air out, it's kind of good, but do whatever you like. We like it like this with the pad, so that way she still can sleep on it and it's like home and it keeps the dog bed off the ground. All in all, super easy to assemble. We did it in about 10-15 minutes. And again, yes, there was instructions. There was instructions on the back. The mystery person just chucked them into my view. But other than that, if you liked this video, press like if it helped you out. Cool. And subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching.